Impugned herein are the judgments, orders of the revenue forums, including SMBR, dismissing application of the petitioner seeking the return of plaint to the respondents for want of jurisdiction of the revenue courts. First up, learned counsel contends that almost half of the portion of the land has come under abadi, that is constructed area. Therefore, keeping in view the definition contained with regard to land in section 3 of the Land Revenue Act and the bar imposed on partition of land by section 136 would take away the jurisdiction of the revenue court, and that legal position was not properly addressed. Hence, the impugned decisions are not sustainable. First up, reliance was placed on case law reported in PLD 1999 Lahore 31 and CLC 1996 Peshawar 1692. First up, we have gone through the relevant provisions of law and the two judgments cited at the bar. However, learned counsel has misconceived the true legal position, because under the statutory law and the case law, both it is a site of village or town completely occupied as such is excluded from the record of Land Revenue Department, which does not fall within the definition of land, while in the instant case the position is entirely different, because half of the area is constructed and the rest is still retaining status of land, and when it has not been excluded through any specific order by the Board of Revenue from the definition of land, nor it has been deleted from the register of Jamnabadi, then for all practical purposes it is a land, and revenue courts have the jurisdiction to effect partition of the same. Hence, this petition based on misconception is dismissed in limine. First up.